Hello everyone. Children, hope you all are safe and healthy. Academic year 21-22 has been already started in the month of April. It's July now. Time for evaluation. Let me begin with the evaluation guidelines which will help you to understand the pattern in our school. Yes, let me begin with class 1 and 2. In class 1 and 2, we conduct weekly test. Weekly test will be conducted throughout the year for all four main subjects, that is English, Maths, EVS and Hindi. Apart from weekly test, we follow CCE pattern, that is Continuous Comprehensive Evaluation, which will be conducted throughout the year. In CCE pattern, we observe listening skills, reading skills, writing skills and speaking skills, project submissions, notebook work. Lastly, the final exam will be conducted in the month of March, which will consist of 50 marks. Let's move ahead with class 3 to 8. The evaluation pattern will be periodic test 1 in the month of July, half yearly exam in the month of September, periodic test 2 in the month of January and final exam in the month of March. Let's go through the distribution of marks for class 3 to 8. There will be two terms, term 1 and term 2. In term 1, periodic test 1 will consist of 40 marks, half yearly exams will consist of 80 marks and yes, the most important, notebooks, subject enrichment and attendance. All this will be counted in 10 marks. The same goes with the term 2. Now, let's move ahead with class 9 and 10. The new evaluation guidelines which we have received from CBSE have been already sent to you all. Please go through it. For any queries further, please contact to the class teacher. Let us have a look at the overall report card. The structure of the report card will be like this. Term 1 and Term 2. Term 1 periodic test 40 marks will be reduced to 10 marks. Notebook and subject enrichment 5 marks, 5 marks. Half yearly examination 80 marks, which adds up to overall 100 marks. And the same goes with the term 2. Now, children, let me explain you for the upcoming PT1 evaluation. We will follow the common pattern in class 3 to 8. Google form will be of 20 marks and written paper will be of 20 marks. Total evaluation of 40 marks. But do remember that in maths, you will not receive Google form. There will be only written paper of 40 marks. For class 9 and 10, no Google form, only written paper for all the subjects with 40 marks. Remember, PT1 marks will be considered in the half-yearly report card for all classes. The following table explains the schedule of PT1 evaluation. Your written paper will start at 8 o'clock and end at 8:40. The Google form, you will receive the link at 9 o'clock and you have to submit it by 9:45. The written paper for maths will start at 8 o'clock and ends at 9:15. In class 9 and 10, the written exams will start at 8 o'clock and end at 9:15. So children, there are few points to be remembered by you all. Written paper will be shared on screen through Zoom platform. Question paper will not be sent on Flint or WhatsApp. Google Form link will be sent on Flint at sharp 9 o'clock and to be submitted by 9:45 a.m. After that, it will not be accepted. Answer copy should be submitted in the school on 24th July in a labeled button folder. Hope everyone is clear with the evaluation guidelines. Now it's time to get ready before exam. Do remember few points how to get ready before exam. Keep your supplementary ready with name, class, section, subject, date written on it. Keep all necessary stationery ready. Your pens should be in a working mode. Sit in a closed room. Parents or siblings are not allowed in the room. Read all the instructions carefully. Don't write the questions in your answer sheet. It will take more time. Only answers to be written. Write the question number correctly and then write your answer. Attempt the questions in the order given in the question paper. Follow the sequence. In continuation with few more points. For SST subject, keep map ready. In class 9 and 10, for math subject, keep graph paper ready. In maths, marks will be given according to the steps shown. From third period onwards, that is 10:30 a.m., regular timetable will be followed. When all the subjects evaluation gets over for the class, regular timetable will be followed from the next day. Do remember, attendance is compulsory. Good luck, children. Have a nice day.